Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm really glad you're here. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of installing Ollama on your local computer. Not just that, I'll also show you how to run powerful AI models completely locally on your machine, step by step. The best part? You won't need any cloud services or internet connection to use these models once they're set up. So, if you're someone who loves experimenting with AI or wants to explore its capabilities right from your own device, this tutorial is absolutely perfect for you. We're going to cover everything from downloading the software, installing it, and then running the AI models so you can get started immediately. So, without any further delay, let's jump right in and get started. Now, head over to the official Ollama.com website. This is where we'll download the Ollama installer. Since I'm using macOS, I'll download the installer specifically for the Mac operating system. Once the download is complete, simply drag it into your Applications folder. Then, open it up, click Next, click on Install, and finally click Finish. It's that simple. You can also install and run models directly from the terminal. For example, to run Llama 3.2, just type this command, Ollama run Llama 3.2, paste it into your terminal, and it will automatically download the Llama 3.2 model and start running it locally. Now that Llama is up and running, let's move on to installing another model. In our case, we'll be downloading the latest DeepSeek R18B model. It's about 5.2 gigabytes in size. To do that, simply run this command, Ollama run DeepSeek latest. Paste it into your terminal, hit enter, and the model will start downloading and running locally on your machine. Once it's fully downloaded, you'll see that DeepSeek R1 is running entirely on your computer. No cloud required. Now, as you can see, the model is installed locally and is running perfectly, just as expected. Next, let's take it one step further. We'll set up a chat window UI, similar to popular tools like ChatGPT or Gemini, so we can interact with the model through a friendly interface. To do this, we first need to install Docker. Simply head over to docker.com, download the installer for your system, and once it's downloaded, move it to your Applications folder and run it. Follow the installation steps, and once Docker is installed, just log into your Docker account. You can now minimize Docker. It will keep running in the background. Next, go to the Open Web UI website. This is where we'll download the Chatbox window UI. This UI allows us to easily chat with the AI models. You'll need to copy this simple Ollama command and paste it into your terminal. It may take a few minutes to install, depending on your internet speed. Once that's done, open Docker again. You'll see that the image we just installed is now running locally. Now click on the port. In my case, it's 3000:8080. Once you do that, a browser window will open with the Chatbox UI. Just like ChatGPT, but running entirely on your computer. You can type anything here, and the model will respond locally. You can also switch between models. For example, in my setup, I have both DeepSeek R1 and Llama 3.2 available and running locally. And that's it. This is how you can easily run DeepSeek R1 locally on your computer using Ollama. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.